Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I will teach you how to calculate the exact circumference of a circle. Of course, there is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one, part A. So we know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so C, that is stand for circumference, is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi times the radius. And in this case here, the radius is 2.5. So r is equal to 2.5. So we just substitute r is 2.5. So that will give me equal 2 pi times 2.5. And we know that 2 times 2.5 because we need to work out the exact circumference of a circle. Or we can say the circumference of the circle in terms of pi, if you like. So 2 times 2.5 give me 5. Otherwise, you can just put on a calculator. 2 times 2.5 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5 pi. Okay, that's it. And the unit is centimeters. So there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through it with you. So first of all, we know that circumference C is 2 pi r. Okay, r is the radius. So that will give us 2 pi times the radius in this case is here, 4 centimeters. So we times by 4. And to work out the exact, so we need to use 2 times 4. And 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer is 8 pi. So is equal to 8 pi centimeters. So there you go. This is the exact circumference of this circle here. Part C. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Remember, always start with the formula. So that becomes 2 pi, we times the radius, that is 13. Then that will give me, we just need to work out the exact circumference. So 2 times 13 is 26. So 26 pi. And the unit is centimeters. So don't forget the units, okay? Part D. Again, circumference is 2 pi r. And the radius is 9.5. So that becomes 2 pi times 9.5. And we know that 2 times 9 is 18. And a half times 2 is 1. So it's 19. Okay, keep that in mind. Otherwise, just put on a calculator. So you just go 2 times 9.5. So there you go, 19. So 19 pi. And the unit is millimeters. So there you go. Let's do part E. Circumference of a circle, C, is 2 pi times the radius, 2 pi r. And the radius is 17. So that will give me 2 pi times 17. So that will give me, so because we need to work out the exact circumference, so 2 times 17. So that will give me 34. So 2 times 17 is 34. So the answer is 34 pi. So there you go. Part F. So circumference C is 2 pi times the radius. And in this case, the radius is 24. So that is equal to 2 pi times 24 because the radius is 24. So we just go 2 times 24. If you put on a calculator, give me 48. So that is 48 pi. And don't forget the units. So it's millimeters. So there you go. Question number 2. So we know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. But in this case, they give us the diameter because from one end to another end and pass through the center of the circle. So that is a diameter. So we can actually use pi d, okay, pi times diameter if you wish, or you can use circumference of 2 is equal to 2 pi r. But we just use pi d, okay, quicker, that's all. So like this, circumference, okay, equal 2 pi r if you want to use this. So that becomes like this, 2 pi times the radius because the diameter is 6. So therefore, the radius is half of the diameter. So half of 6 is 3. So 2 times 3. So 2 times 3, give me 6. So 6 pi. So that's the answer. Otherwise, you can just quickly use circumference. C is pi d. It's just quicker, that's all. So d is a diameter. And we know that the diameter of this circle here is 6. So pi times 6. Please put a time in between pi and 6 because the number behind pi. So we better put a multiplication in between, okay? Then that becomes 6 pi. So that's the answer, okay? And don't forget the unit, and the unit is centimeters. So 6 pi centimeters. That is the exact circumference of this circle here. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through them with you. Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into it. So we know that circumference of a circle, in this case here, that gives us diameter. So we just use pi d, okay? So circumference is pi d. And d is the diameter. So the diameter is 17 millimeters. So that becomes pi times 17. So pi times 17 is 17 pi. Okay, it's because we want to work out the exact, okay, or in terms of pi. So 17 pi millimeters. So there you go. Part C. Again, always start with the rule. So circumference of a circle is pi d. And d is 23 centimeters in this case. So pi times 23. And pi times 23 is 23 pi. Okay, exact. So 23 pi. And do not forget the unit here is centimeters. So there you go. Now, part D. Circumference is pi d. So circumference of a circle is pi d. And d is the diameter. So therefore, that will give me pi times 7.5 because 7.5 millimeters is the diameter. So that will give me 7.5 pi. And the unit is millimeters. So there you go. Part E. So circumference is pi d. Of course, you can use 2 pi r, but then you need to half of the diameter. That's all. But since we have diameter, so you pi d is simpler. Okay, so that will give me pi times d. D is 45. So the answer is 45 pi. So there you go. And do not forget the unit. So the unit is millimeters. There you go. Now part E. Circumference is pi d. And d is the diameter of the circle. So pi times 28. And pi times 28 is 28 pi. So the answer is 28 pi. And the unit is millimeters. So therefore, the circumference of this circle is 28 pi millimeters in terms of pi, or exact if you wish. So there you go. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.